There are many types of bike available, and which one is right for you depends on how you intend to use it, your level of experience, and your budget. In this guide, we're going to give you a short overview of some of the styles of bikes available to help you make the right choice for your lifestyle and riding. Elsewhere on the site, you'll find some more in-depth guides on the different types of bikes available. And if you're still not sure, simply call us and one of our experienced customer service team can talk you through the options and recommend specific models to suit your budget and riding style. Hybrid bikes are ideal for commuting and for general recreational use. As the name suggests, a hybrid bike takes its influences from other bike types to create a practical machine that works well in most riding environments. Great for on the road and light off-road use. Hybrids may not have the speed of a dedicated road bike or the rugged off-road capabilities of a mountain bike, but they make a great all-round solution for recreation or perhaps commuting. Tyres on a hybrid are typically wider than a road bike, but not as chunky as a mountain bike, providing a good level of grip and stability in most environments. With a huge range of styles and features, for many, hybrids provide the best compromise of speed, comfort, style, and practicality. Mountain bikes are designed for serious off-road use, for example cycling through woods or purpose-built trails in the countryside. With that in mind, mountain bikes have some specific features. They have a much stronger frame construction. They often have suspension at the front or rear depending on how they will be used. The suspension is designed to soak up the bumps and jolts of off-road riding. With their flat, straight bars and chunky tyres to give better grip in all conditions, mountain biking is not just a fun way to enjoy the outdoors, it's also a sport for enthusiasts, and there are many different and specialist types of mountain bike available depending on your intended use. Our more comprehensive mountain bike video will explain more. Road bikes are instantly recognizable from the drop handlebars and the skinny wheels, designed to improve aerodynamics and therefore speed for the rider. Road cycling is one of the fastest growing sports and leisure activities in the UK. Whether you're commuting, taking part in a several hundred-mile sportif event, or just out for some weekend exercise, there are road bikes to suit all. BMX bikes are unique in that they're designed for tricks and stunts and are usually used in skate parks on purpose-built jumps. They tend to have small wheels, a small frame, and strong components to stand up to heavy landings. Jump bikes vary slightly in that they have slightly larger wheels and often have a front suspension. Kids' bikes suit children from 2 years old up to their teens and come in a range of sizes that fit fast-growing kids. Wheel sizes can be anything from 12 inches to 20 inches. Saddle and handlebars can be adjusted as the child grows, and first-time riders may require stabilizers until they have the confidence to ride without. Clothing for cycling is often made from state-of-the-art high-tech fabrics, hard-wearing to take the knocks for off-road, and lightweight and aerodynamic for road cycling, whilst commuters in traffic may opt for high-vis jackets and waterproofs. We stock a full range of cycle clothing along with gloves, helmets, shoes and luggage.